journey began in 2012. So I was in bench in Infosys. So that's when I thought I'll create some sort of an influence. And I was right from college and school. I was a person who had good influence among my friends and other people. So I was just venturing what are the different ways in which this can be done. And at that time, social media was on the rise in India. So that's when I ventured into Facebook, and because the type of content and the natural ability to influence I had infused in this, so it went viral. So I think the biggest challenge after that was sustaining that virality which we received initially, because you cannot be called a one film hero or a one day success card. So maintaining the success is the key. So that's where the actual challenge took, and I think after 7 years we're still able to maintain what we started with. The major tip I would like to, I'll not say tips because then again it will sound in a different way. Yeah, a word of advice is please come only if you're very serious, and once you come, do not be disheartened by any obstacle. Sometimes it might take years and years of struggle. So if you're passionate about it, you will never give up. So only look for passion. If you have the passion, then definitely do not hold back under any circumstance. So I think I'll not be able to give 3. This is the one and only tip that I give to anyone, or one and only aspect that I look into anyone. Well, people think that digital companies like us are, making a lot of money, which we don't. But the main thing is we are doing it out of passion. I mean, what we suggest individual creators are something which we implement as companies as well. So major myth is, this is what is the myth, that there's don't come in looking only for money, or at the end of the day that once you become famous you'll have a lot of money. You can become very famous and you can still not be earning much, but then look and drive only through passion. There have been quite a few. I mean, I can say BBK Vines was one which I thought not inspired me, but actually his story behind the screen. I mean, his thing to not give up. He tried many roles behind what he was. And another major influencer which we look up to is TVF, because we want to create content on the original space and they are the pioneers of it. But coming to InfluencerCon, I realized that I have been inspired not directly but also indirectly, that passive way, by so many people whom I met here and their stories, listening to them and all that. Even listening to someone like Sushant Divekar yesterday was really inspiring. I mean, it opened my eyes. Although I'm a very accommodative person, I realized that I had so many flaws after he speaking on stage. So which was really, emotionally very, it was a very different experience. And I really thank InfluencerCon for hosting such a great festival, such a diverse festival, of bringing all these people together. The panel was great. We tried to be the most entertaining one possible, and I hope we did that too. We tried to majorly answer the questions of how brand friendly you can be, because at the end of the day, when you're doing something, you want to convert your passion into a profession. So for that, spaces like YouTube, Facebook or TikTok will not be able to give you a long lasting revenue. It's the brands that will give you the bonuses. They are the Diwali and Dussehra for you. So how to get Diwali and Dussehra every month is what we discussed a lot upon, and the type of content, the number of unique people who view your content, your ability to get more and more people to watch your content, or the relevant people and them sharing to each other, creating influencers among the audience that you have is the key. That's what we discussed, and we had a lot of fun. Like I said, it was an amazing experience. To be very honest, I did not expect it to be this good. I thought, okay, I mean, I'm attending an event, just like many I've attended recently, but the biggest aspect was the diversity of the people that I met, and I made a lot of new friends. I knew a lot of people, but then there are many people whom I didn't know. There were many facets to people that I did not know, which were revealed here. And I have to say that even though I was a panelist today, I came both the days and I did not regret one moment that I was here. So I should really thank InfluencerCon once again for that.